they are cleaning up all the mud out of the people's homes. There's a whole bunch of helpers parked on the road over here. And they're all shoveling it all out. And I dropped off our supplies. This man named Cab is gonna help. There's that house. Oh, that really got. There was one right there, that yellow one. The bottom part of it was bent in. I have never seen this ever happen, except for one time. There was a place called Aloha. It was all underwater. Anyway, I'm gonna get these kids picked up, and I got all the stuff out of the car. And you guys, bless your heart, Jesus loves you. And this is the place where a lot of the destruction is at. Goodness, look at that stuff down there. Oh my word. I don't know, you guys will have to zoom in on some of it. Love y'all, gotta go, bless your heart. I shouldn't be doing this, it's kind of dangerous.